In this video, I'm going to show you how to get eggs in the Township game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is build a chicken coop. So as we can see here, I've got my chicken coop here. So we got all the chickens that are going to lay eggs. But in order to do that, we need to go ahead and get some chicken feed. So it is a bit of a process. So to get a chicken coop, go and click on your store, go to farming, and now you want to go ahead and get your chicken coop and then place that chicken coop somewhere in your township game. From here, we need to go ahead and also have a feed mill. So make sure you got a feed mill. And now, as we can see, I've already got some cow feed here, but I want to go ahead and get some chicken feed here to feed the chickens that are going to lay those eggs for me. So I need some more wheat. So in order to do this, I need to grow some more wheat and also need, so we need 2 wheat and 1 carrot to get free chicken feed. So if I come over here, I'm growing wheat. Now I can go ahead and get some more carrots in my crops here for future. So I've already got 7 carrots, I just need more wheat. Then basically we come back here to the feed mill and then put in the chicken feed. So obviously I can't get it, but I can purchase it for 2. So that's going to go ahead and get the chicken feed. It's going to take 10 minutes. Now while I'm here, I'm going to collect the cow feed. I don't need that. Now I'm just going to speed this up, which I can't. I've run out of coins. So I'm just going to pause this video. So basically when you got that chicken feed, come back to your chicken coop and then put your chicken feed here. And then what that's going to do, that's going to feed your chickens, and then after a certain amount of time they're going to drop an egg and then come back to your chicken coop. I think it's after 5-10 minutes, and collect all your eggs.